Real estate investment is a great way to make money and build wealth over time. However, as with any investment, there are risks and complications that scare off new investors. But even beginners can make money in real estate. You just have to find the right approach. Here are some strategies to get you started in real estate. Number 1. Buy REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs are a great way to invest in real estate without actually owning any property. They're a relatively safe and simple option for beginners to get involved in the market. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. When you buy shares of a REIT, you're essentially investing in a portfolio of properties. One example of a REIT you can invest in is the Vanguard REIT ETF, ticker VNQ. This ETF invests in a portfolio of REITs and offers diversified exposure to the real estate market. REITs can be a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and get exposure to the real estate market without having to deal with the hassle of owning and maintaining property. Number 2. Buy a rental property. Another way to invest in real estate is to buy a rental property. This can be a great way to generate income, build equity, and reach your financial goals. One example of buying a rental property to make money is the purchase of a duplex. By owning 2 units, you can collect rent from 2 separate tenants, which can help offset your mortgage payments and other expenses. You can even live in one of the units to offset costs, which we will discuss later in the video. It's important to keep in mind that being a landlord comes with its own set of responsibilities. You'll need to screen tenants, handle maintenance and repairs, and deal with the occasional problem tenant. Number 3. Fix and flip properties. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach to real estate investing, you could try your hand at fixing and flipping properties. This involves buying a property, fixing it up, and then selling it for a profit. Fixing up properties for resale is also known as rehabbing. Good sources for finding houses to flip include websites like RealtyTrack, which lists foreclosed and distressed properties for sale. Another good resource is your local real estate agent, who can help you find properties that are worth flipping. Finally, you can also look for sale signs in your neighborhood to see if any of the homes are being sold by owners who are motivated to sell quickly. Flipping properties can be a great way to make money, but it's not without its risks. You'll need to have a good understanding of the real estate market and the ability to accurately estimate repair costs. Number 4. Wholesaling. If you're not interested in being a landlord or fixing properties, but you still want to get involved in real estate investing, you could try your hand at wholesaling. This involves obtaining a contract to buy deeply discounted properties and then selling the contract to another investor for a profit. Instead of flipping the home, you're flipping the contract and you profit from the assignment fee. Everyone gets what they want. You can use the same resources we discussed in number 3 to find foreclosed properties. These properties are often sold at a significant discount, and you can then turn around and sell them to another investor for a profit without ever having to fix them up. Keep in mind that you might not be able to find a buyer right away, and you'll have to have a solid contract in place to protect yourself. Number 5. House hacking. House hacking is a strategy that allows you to live for free or close to it, while also building equity in a property. One example of house hacking is the purchase of a multi-unit property. By buying a property with multiple units, you can live in one of the units while renting out the others. This can help you offset your living expenses while also building equity in the property. This can be a great way to get started in real estate investing, especially if you're cash-strapped. It allows you to live in a property for less than it would cost to rent a similar property, and the rental income can help offset your mortgage payments. Number 6. Invest in a vacation rental. If you're looking for a real estate investment that can provide both income and the opportunity to use the property yourself, you might want to consider investing in a vacation rental. A vacation rental is a property that is rented out to people on a short-term basis, typically for vacations or weekend getaways. These properties can be anything from a single-family home to a condo or apartment complex. Both Airbnb and HomeAway are websites that allow people to rent out their homes or apartments on a short-term basis. This can be a great way to make money, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. There are a few things to keep in mind when investing in vacation rentals. First, you'll need to make sure that your property is zoned for short-term rentals. You'll also need to be comfortable dealing with guests who may be unruly or who may damage the property. Finally, you'll need to have the time and resources to handle any maintenance or repair issues that may come up. Find the strategy that works for you. These are just a few of the strategies you can use to start investing in real estate. Remember, the best strategy is the one that fits your goals and risk tolerance. Do your own research and find the right approach for you and your family. Whether you're looking for a hands-off approach or you want to try your hand at flipping properties, there's something for everyone in the world of real estate investing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.